aircraft manufacturers have tried to fix that problem by designing the pilot out of the cockpit. This is the first fully automated plane, flown by a computer.
Back to the terminal, so they are anticipating and hoping that none of the emergency equipment will be needed and that they'll be using the buses a lot more than they'll be using the emergency gear. Let's watch this thing go.
And they've got their weather working in their favor too. At this time yesterday, there were still some thunder showers in the area showing up on our live Doppler 7000, but today nice clear conditions for this plane to come in and make this emergency landing. This Airbus A320 JetBlue coming in now with 146 people on board. That's 140 passengers and 6 crew members, a pilot and a co-pilot up front.
All right, we are watching it now, and it's coming in low and presumably slow now. It's probably crossing the 405 and approaching Sepulveda Boulevard and ultimately the airport. That's runway 25 left. That was the 405 freeway right there. We're getting close.
25 left, as Mark pointed out, the longest runway at LAX, the one they want to use for emergency landings if they can. And here it comes in now, this JetBlue flight 292 with that front nose gear pointed sideways.
Hold the nose.
Seen a lot of smoke, but so far it's still intact. The landing gear.
He's now slowing down as best he can.
End of the runway.
Mighty strong landing gear here. That's the tires burning out there.
All right.
Best of all possible scenarios, it did not collapse. The chin gear, or the chin of that aircraft did not skid down the runway. It has come to a complete stop.
This airplane stop, we're going to roll the trucks, and he's going to swing it around. He's got the engine shut down now. Everything's going to be fine here. We've got another runway to get the other aircraft down. But he has had a problem with his wheels. He's got it stopped, and we're safe.
grease it in, walk away.
See a few sparks.
Shut the engines off.
Engines off.
Stay on the center line.
Look at this guy.
You can
There you go.
It's alright. It's alright. Look at this guy. Greasing it.
Oh, he's good at it. Come on. Nice.
Look at that. Perfect.
Taking off and focused in on this single-engine, four-seat Beach Bonanza. But I realized something was wrong when it used up 2/3 of the runway without leaving the ground. There was a sigh of relief when it finally got airborne, but it became clear this was no routine takeoff. The wings began to wobble. Then it flopped on its belly.
Oh no!
It appears the propeller dug into the ground.
Het toestel was vanuit Zeeland opgestegen met als bestemming vliegveld Teugen, waar de piloot bemerkte dat de wielen van het landingsgestel niet wilden uitklappen. Hij had daarom besloten terug te keren. De landing verliep hobbelig, maar volgens het boekje. Bent u toch tijdens die landing niet...
Bugger! Strange.
I got it going. Two parachutes! Two parachutes! Two parachutes! And a river.
Célebre por la facilidad con la que realiza maniobras acrobáticas. Era la estrella de este festival que se celebra cada año en un aeródromo a las afueras de París. En un momento dado del espectáculo, los pilotos perdieron el control del aparato por razones que aún se desconocen y ocurrió lo que ustedes ven. Imágenes espectaculares pero sin víctimas. Los pilotos saltaron a tiempo y afortunadamente en el lugar donde se produjo la caída no había espectadores en ese momento.
Landningsställen på flygplanstypen Dash ledde till årets kris i SAS. Det första tecknet på att något inte stod rätt till kom efter en nödlandning i danska Ålborg i september. Planet vek sig och började brinna och efter det följde flera haverier med samma flygplanstyp.